6 free AI tools that every YouTube beginner needs in 2026. I use all of this myself and together they handle everything: scripting, SEO, thumbnail, email list, tech optimization and content planning. No paid subscription needed to get started with any of them. I am Francis, let's get straight into it. These are not random recommendations. These are the exact tool I use to create content, optimize my video and grow my channel. I am going to show you what each one does, why it matters and exactly how to use it, starting with the most important one. Tool number 1, ChatGPT. ChatGPT is the foundation of my entire content creation process. I use it to generate video ideas, write script, create outlines, write email sequence, and brainstorm titles. Anything that involves writing, ChatGPT handles the first draft. The key to getting great results is being specific with your prompt. Here is an example. Let's type in, give me 5 YouTube video ideas for a beginner channel about AI tools for content creators. Focus on low competition topics that a new channel can rank for in 2026. 5 specific video ideas in seconds. That alone saved me hours of brainstorming every single week. ChatGPT free is available at chat.openai.com. Link in the description, no credit card required. Tool number 2, VidIQ is my go-to tool for YouTube keyword research and SEO. It installs directly into your Chrome browser for free and shows you 2 critical numbers alongside every YouTube search results: search volume and competition score. Let's type in AI tools for beginners. See those numbers on the right side. Search volume tells me how many people are searching this keyword every month. Competition score tells me how hard it is to rank for it. High search volume and low competition. That combination is my green light to make the video. VidIQ free is linked in the description. Install it before you upload your next video. Tool number 3, Canva. Canva is what I use to create every single YouTube thumbnail on my channel. The free version gives you access to thousands of templates, fonts, color, and design elements. Everything you need to create a professional looking thumbnail that stops the scroll. See how clean and simple this is. Dark background, bold text, space for your face on one side. That combination consistently outperforms complicated design because it is readable at thumb size on a phone screen. Canva free is available at canva.com. No credit card required. The free version is genuinely all you need as a beginner. Tool number 4, System.io. System.io is the tool I use to build my email list and create sales funnel. The free plan gives you 3 funnels: email marketing to 2000 contacts and basic automation, all completely free with no credit card required. As a YouTube creator, your email list is your most valuable asset because YouTube can change its algorithm at any time. But your email list is yours. Nobody can take it away from you. System.io let you start building that list for free from day one. I am currently on the paid plan myself, which tells you more about how much I believe in this tool than anything else I can say. The free plan link is in the description below. Tool number 5, TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is a free Chrome extension that helps you optimize your video title, tag, and SEO score directly inside YouTube Studio. While VidIQ is my main keyword research tool, TubeBuddy gives me an extra layer of confirmation before I upload anything. See that SEO score on the right side? TubeBuddy is telling me exactly how well optimized this video is before it goes live. Green means good, yellow means improve something, red means do not upload yet. That tag suggestion feature shows you which tags other video in your niche are ranking for, so you can use the same one. TubeBuddy free is linked in the description. Use it alongside VidIQ for the most complete SEO picture possible. Tool number 6, Notion AI. Notion AI is a free organization and planning tool that now has AI built directly into it. I use it to plan my entire content calendar, organize my video idea, store my keyword bank, and track my channel growth week by week. The AI feature inside Notion lets you summarize notes, generate content ideas from a brief description, create structure plan from a simple ideas, and organize information automatically. See how organized this looks. Every video idea, every keywords, every deadline, all in one place. No more scattered notes across 5 different apps. Notion free is available at notion.so. The AI features are included in the free plan. Link is in the description below. Now here are your 6 free AI tools for YouTube beginners in 2026. 1. ChatGPT for scripting and content ideas. 2. VidIQ for keyword research and SEO. 3. Canva for thumbnail and graphics. 4. System.io for email lists and funnels. 5. TubeBuddy for title and tag optimization. 6. Notion AI for content planning and organization. All 6 are linked in the description below. One thing worth saying clearly, these tools will save you time and make your workflow smarter, but they do not create great content for you. The ideas, the personality, and the genuine value still have to come from you. Use this tool to work faster, not to replace the thinking that makes your content worth watching. All 6 free tools links are in the description below. Go grab them now before you upload your next video. And drop a comment telling me which of these 6 tools are you going to try first. I read every single comment and I will reply to you personally. I am Francis, new video survey with. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.